Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about Nokia X71. Let's have a look. After plenty of speculation and leaked device renders, the Nokia X71 has now officially launched in Taiwan. Most definitely a mid-range handset, the Nokia X71 is the very first Nokia device to include a punch-hole display cutout. This is also the first mid-range handset from Nokia to include an in-display fingerprint readers. That's not new for Nokia phones though, as we have already seen the Nokia 9 PureView comes with an in-display reader so far. As for the entire specification package, the X1 comes with an 6.39-inch display with an FHD resolution 1080x2316 pixels and a slightly odd 19.3:9 aspect ratio, not like the 19.59 ratio we are seeing in more and more handsets. The upper left punch hole cutout houses the front-facing camera and result in 93% skin-to-body ratio. Internally, the Nokia X71 is powered by the now slightly long-in-the-tooth Snapdragon 660 chipset, 6GB of RAM, and comes with 128GB of microSD expandable storage up to 256GB. Battery life will hopefully be one area this device excels thanks to 3500 mAh inside. Should it pose issues, this is one of the first Nokia handset to include 18-watt fast charging. Around back you will find a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel main sensor with an f/1.8 aperture that is capable of AI screen recognition. That massive main sensor is complemented by a 5 megapixel depth sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter that offers a 120-degree field of view. If you are wondering about the camera, hiding in the punch hole, selfies are handled by 16 megapixel camera with an f/2.0 aperture. Software comes in the Android One form of Android 9.0 Pie, meaning update will be forthcoming for the Nokia X71 for at least a few years. Android Q and Android R will be definite release for this device. Put simply, it's a nice mid-range phone from the company that wants to compete in the tier just below the flashy Android flagship from the likes of Samsung and Huawei. This year, Sony's new 48 megapixel camera sensor has proven popular as well as cheap, judging by the $150 pricing of the Redmi Note 7 that also features it. Note that HMD Global is aiming quite so low. GSM Arena reports that pricing for the Nokia X71 starts at 11,900 TWD, which equates the around $385 345 euro, with sales starting on April 30th. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Nokia X71. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World. And stay blessed. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.